In steel plant scrapyard, two 70-ton plus 70-ton dual trolley overhead cranes on upper rail and one 25T magnet crane on lower rail are working simultaneously in the same space. Not only considering the same rail crane's anti-collision, what's more important is multi-level crane's anti-collision protection. When two cranes on the same rail approach each other, the system alarms operators and brakes automatically, preventing collision. The positions of hoists, hooks and loads are monitored. The system can also prevent the upper hoists from being lowered if there is a crane below. Beyond covering every collision scenario, we prioritize system reliability. IP67 dustproof and waterproof, 40 Celsius and Fahrenheit below 0 to 65 Celsius or 140 Fahrenheit temperature resistance, supporting up to 6 cranes anti-collision on one rail. It outputs real-time location data to the security system or intelligent dispatch system. And it is also expandable to prevent collisions between cranes and ground equipments. Crane Driving Assistance System, Intelligent Anti-Collision and Positioning System.